We're watching this video of a girl that's doing a whole Minecraft zoo, and we're getting all kinds of fun ideas. Oh, yeah, in hardcore. But look at Kitty. We gotta move all that stuff off the thing, but I'm resting from my boot, so can't do that right now. And Reagan definitely can't do that right now. But yeah, Kitty hopped up there. She was really interested in what we were watching. Even Kitty likes Minecraft. Today's decluttering involves the computer. I am working very hard to move so many files over to my new little SanDisk. This is a 512 gigabytes or whatever it is. I almost bought a terabyte, but I didn't. I stuck with the 512, and I am going through my computer, poor thing. It's a really strong laptop, but I just have so many files. I am a YouTuber. I do have so many files on here that it's making my computer really, really tired and really sad. So I'm finally, while I'm sitting here with my Reiki, working on this. Decluttering isn't always just about getting rid of clothes or books or old towels. Decluttering can also be on your computer. Have you decluttered your computer? If not, this just might be the time to do it. We are watching some Minecraft this morning. Reagan and I were up a little bit late last night, but I got a whole bunch of file cleanup done last night. And then I was frustrated because I thought I had got to a point where I would start seeing quite a bit more room available on my computer, and there wasn't as much as I expected there to be. And I was like, what the heck's going on? So I did some exploring, and there's a bunch of files that I totally forgot. I had no idea I still had all these. And what they are, let me put this onto, I know I really should get one of those programs or whatever. I should screen record is what I should do, but I'm not doing that right now. So anyway, really interesting. What I found, a bunch of these are things that I've sold in the past on eBay. Whether I got them from like my life, like there's a bunch of my old McDonald's pins there that I sold, or I got them with coupons like this Gillette, or I got them on clearance like this Solar Bear. I'm sure there's some dumpster salvage stuff. Yeah, these Chips Ahoy bed sheets, that was from the dumpsters. This KitchenAid, no, that came with my KitchenAid. Let's see. Oh, this Cook It in cast iron, that was from the dumpsters. So was this organ music book, and I think that's like a blood pressure cuff or something. I also sold this coonskin cap, that was from the bins. So was this, I can't remember, I think it was a oh god, what is it called for diabetics, where you check your blood sugar. And then these silkies are from coupons back when I was hardcore couponing. And then these books for dummies right here, yep, that was from the dumpsters. So all kinds of stuff, all these pictures, all these images that I totally forgot I had, and I want to keep them, but I don't want to keep them on my computer, so I'm going to have to get another SD card.
2 hours later.
I figured it out, Frugal friends. It's my output. It is my videos. It's my videos. These are copies. Well, not copies. They're the originals of all of my videos. And it used to be that I would just delete them. When I was done posting a video, I would just delete it. I don't anymore, having been hacked twice and lost access to so many videos. Like, they were able to recover a lot of them so that we can watch them, but not download them. Like, I used to be able to download my own videos from YouTube. Can't do that anymore with a lot of them. I'll have to like screen record them and stuff like that. So anyway, I want to keep these, but I don't want them all on here because they are taking up so much space. So I did go ahead and order another memory card with 512 gigabytes. I'm not familiar with this brand, but I did read the reviews. It is, what, a third the price of SanDisk, which is what I normally buy. Wish me luck. Hopefully it works. But the good thing is these aren't like, you know, our family I mean, some of them are family memories, but I did keep the raw footage on another SD card of most of the stuff the family stuff that went into these videos, things that I would absolutely not want to lose. Whereas these, they're important, but they're not as important. I have gotten as far as I can go with the files here on the computer until the new SD card arrives. So now I'm working on the files on the phone because I've decided that this SD card is going to be our 2022 card. It was going to just be family stuff only, but then I realized I had a lot of Disney stuff that was taking up space on the computer, and I'm like, well, that's Disney stuff that happened in 2022, so I'll go ahead and put it on there, and then later organize that SD card really well into folders. And now I'm going to go through on my phone, which is also very full, and I am going to move all of these, you know, 2022 family stuff. I'm going to move over to the SD card and go from there.
3 hours later.
Seriously, hours and hours and hours, but I am done cleaning out my phone. Oh my gosh, and now just need to wait for the other SD cards to get here and the little binder to put them in. Yeah. And look what came in the mail from Amazon today. A 512 gigabyte memory card. Yay, I can clean up some more on the laptop. I'm probably not going to bring you along for that, but just know I am going to do it. And then I probably will bring you along when I get around the house, well, as I'm able, and gather up all of my memory cards. I got this awesome little binder. Let's open it up and check it out. The brand is Fused, and I will leave a link in the video description for this. That will be an affiliate link, which will benefit our channel without costing you anything extra. There are some little labels. That's really handy. And then, I mean, isn't this just adorable? Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. Okay. There you go. Just all these little cards to put your discs in. Obviously, with the size they are and where I use mini discs, it's going to make sense to put in the adapters, like to have the mini discs in the adapters to fit well in here. And I'm pretty sure I have enough adapters. Usually if you buy a mini disc, then one of these will come with it, but there's some I know I've gotten rid of the adapters. So I'll look around and see what I've got and then label them and put them in here. How cool is that? Yeah! I should have gotten one of these like forever ago, but we're doing it now. And do you know what? With the whole decluttering thing, we are doing it now. And that matters. What are you working on? Please tell us in the comments. We'll see you all very soon.